Georgetown Republican Damon Thayer, who is retiring from the legislature at year's end, says he's turning his attention to helping elect what he calls normal Republicans. What is a normal Republican, sir?
Someone who wants to help put the fire out that's burning in America today.
Do you believe there are abnormal Republicans?
I believe there are members of both parties on the fringes who would rather pour gas on the flames and walk away and run to their Twitter feeds or to CNN or to Fox News to talk about it and brag about it gleefully. And, you know, that's not me. But I just believe that there are fringes in both parties, sort of like that one-hit wonder from the 1970s by Stealers Wheel, clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right, and I'm tired of the jokers.
Do you have those members in your caucus right now?
It's less so in our caucus. I think it's more so in the House of Representatives when you've got a district of 45,000 people and all you have to do is win a Republican primary in that smaller district. I think it's a little easier for that to occur.
With 11% turnout or whatever it may be?
Yes, you get a low turnout election like they had in northern Kentucky in a part of the state where voter turnout is low to begin with. And then you take a non-presidential year primary like we had 2 years ago, and this is where we are.
Does that come at the cost of losing some seats, though, in the Republican supermajority in the House? I
don't think so. I think projections are that House Republicans will probably continue to be at 80, maybe even 81 or 82 after this election cycle. You got to remember, and by the way, I'm going to continue to be critical of the Kentucky Democratic Party and its leaders. The KDP failed to field candidates in a majority of House seats. So, you know, I'm going to focus on trying to elect Republicans who are focused on solutions to help move Kentucky forward. Is
there any point where you reach a point of diminishing returns with more members? I mean, you really only need 65 to have a safe supermajority in the House. When you get above that, do you risk getting more of what you would maybe call the fringe element?
I think that's probably true. But, you know, as a proud Republican and former vice chair of the state Republican Party who started out as a treasurer of the Grant County Republican Party when I lived in northern Kentucky, I'm proud of the growth we've had. I mean, I remember when Democrats controlled everything. I remember when there were 32 or 33 Republicans in the House of Representatives. So, you know, there's a little bit of me who likes the bragging rights of being able to say, these are our numbers. We've worked hard for this. I'm proud of the role I've played in it. But in some cases, I want better people.
You can see my full extended interview with State Senate Majority Floor Leader Damon Thayer online on demand at ket.org/connections.